Good morning, everyone. Today, I will teach you on how to use a Microsoft Word in just 5 minutes. Let's start. Okay, let's start by opening Microsoft Word. This is the very first step before we can create or edit any documents. Once Word is open, you'll see different templates. For now, choose blank document so we can start with a clean page. At the top of the screen, you'll see the ribbon. This is where you'll find all the tools and features you need, divided into different tabs like Home, Insert, Layout, and more. Each tab in the ribbon is divided into command groups, which organize similar tools together, like clipboard, font, and paragraph. Now, let's try formatting text. First, type any word or sentence, then highlight it to see the formatting options. You can change the font's style, size, and color. You can also make the text bold, italic, or underlined to emphasize important parts. These tools help make your document more readable and visually appealing. Next one is the paragraph group. This section lets you control how your text is arranged on the page. You can align the text to the left, center, or right depending on your layout. If you want the text to look clean from both sides, you can use the Justify option. This is especially useful for essays, reports, or formal documents. Another helpful feature here is bullet and numbering. These are used to list items clearly. Bullets are perfectly for unordered lists, while numbering is the best when the order of items matters. Let's talk about line spacing. This feature controls the space between lines of text. You can use a single spacing for more compact text or double spacing to make it easier to read. Adjusting spacing is important for formatting formal papers or any projects. Next is the navigation pane. This tool helps you quickly move through your document, especially if it's long. You can jump between sections or find specific words easily without scrolling through everything. Now, let's explore the Insert tab. This is where you can add extra elements to your documents like tables, pictures, shapes, headers, and many more. Now, let's try inserting a table. Tables help organize data neatly into rows and columns. They are useful for schedules, comparison, and structured information. You can also insert a picture to make your document more engaging and choose an image from your computer, then resize or move it to fit your layout. Adding visuals is a great way to support your text and make your work stand out. Finally, let's insert a shape. Shapes can highlight important information or decorate your page. You can customize their size, colors, and style to match the design you want. And that's it. You've just learned the basics of using Microsoft Word, from opening a document, formatting text, working with paragraphs, and adding elements like tables, pictures, and shapes. With these tools, you can now create a clean and professional looking document. Thanks for listening and have a great day.